are the headlines. 236,000 jobs created in the month. The unemployment rate fell to 7.7%. One of the reasons that jobless rate inched lower is because 130,000 people dropped out of the labor market. So more people were reporting that they got jobs, but also there's some people who simply left the labor market, 130,000 of them. Let's look at the private sector. 36 months of job creation there, 246,000 net new jobs in the private sector. But look at government jobs, 10,000 government jobs lost. Economists telling us that's most likely school-related jobs because of cutbacks on the state level. Let's look further within the numbers and see where we saw some good job creation. Construction, 48,000 jobs. Those tend to be higher paid jobs, 48,000 there. Professional and business services, 73,000. Manufacturing, 14,000. I want to come back quickly, though, and end on the underemployment rate. 14.3%, still too high. Some people say this is the real unemployment rate. They see all those people saying that they're getting jobs, and they point to this and say, no, 14.3% are either unemployed or they're working part-time, would like to be working full-time. That number is still too high. For CNN Money, I'm Christine Romans.